Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I have some products from PandaHall selected. That I would like to share with you. They reached out to me and asked me would I be interested in working with them. And since this isn't a whole lot of cutting of things that I would have to do, I decided I would go ahead and work with them. And so I was allowed to pick out some items. They have a lot of really nice items, great prices, absolute great prices. Their sales prices are great. If you do decide to work with them for your channel, your prices will be a little different than what the sale prices are, but they'll explain that to you if you want to work with them from your channel. I selected some things I thought I could use. This was in my package, and I do believe this was just like a free gift maybe. Craft, sewing, DIY. It's got this cute little panda. Here, we'll take it out of the back. Look how cute. Craft, sewing, PandaHall.com, DIY. Cute little panda with the ribbon in her hair. She got her sewing machine, which I still have not unboxed my sewing machine, y'all. I am going to do that after Christmas. I really want to sew my projects. Buttons, scissors. So cute. This little bag. I love it. Thank you so much. Adorable. Okay, so the items I picked. Oh, and you will have a coupon code that you can use to get some discounts on their website. They have some great prices, some great products. I took my time and searched around. And so I got this little kit, which comes with some string. Strong and stretchy crystalline. 0.5. Okay, we've got this cute little handy dandy case, and oh, look at the pretty beads. They're so pretty. So these are like a gradient color. These are just a teal. These are a crystal pink, and then like a pearl. Then you've got your alpha beads, and look at these charms. Look how pretty they are. Little ballerinas. So precious. Oh, this is a nice little kit. And then you got some little bead spacers, more bead spacers here, and then some jump rings. I'll get this. And some jump rings. Oh, this is a nice kit. So I will make a project with these. And then the next items I ordered, picked out, a little Christmas kit. And then this came with some string too. So this has, you got some gold beads here, some different greens and reds, some clay bits, some alphas, different colors here, little, I can't remember what those are called. Some different reds in here, some white and green, and then you've got some charms. Oh, looky here, some gold and silver, some charms. You got some Santa faces, some trees. Oh, they got little diamonds. Well, you know, little gems on there. So pretty. These are really nice. And then, whoops. Oh, look at there's a little surprise. There's a little star beads. I can't tell you what those are. They feel like maybe, I'm not sure. They're different than a plastic, or they're not wood. Cute, cute, cute. And then you got bead spacers here, little balls, and some jump rings. Here's another little bead kit. Oh, look how pretty these are. Gorgeous. Look at these. These are so pretty. So well, you only have two of those. Yeah, this is so pretty though. Look at these. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love these collars together. Beautiful. And then this comes with some wire and some string maybe. Wait a minute, is this wire? Yeah, this is a wire. There's a string, and then you got some bead spacers and some chain. You got some chain there. A couple pieces of chain and a couple lobster clasps. So cute. All right, cannot wait to make something with those. And then the last thing that I picked out is Sunny Clue. Start your craft journey. Let's see what we have. Okay, this comes with some string as well. And then you get these. Oh, look how gorgeous these are. Look, they're so beautiful. And then you get all of these. Look how gorgeous and big. Look how chunky. Get these pink ones. Just beautiful. Got these blue ones. These blue. These blue. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I will come back and show you some projects that I'm going to make with these. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I will put a link or put a discount code on the screen, and I will leave it in a pinned comment, and feel free to use that discount code to apply to their already low prices. So many cute things on their site for all different types of crafts. All right, thank you all so much for coming to watch this video. I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having so much fun wherever you are. Thank you. Bye-bye.